What is a butt plug? And how do you use one? Can only men use them? Today I'll be answering all those questions to find out more about what a butt plug is. So a butt plug can be used by both men and women, so it's unisex. It comes in lots of different designs and materials. But for the main part, a butt plug looks a little bit like this. It features a wide base, a slender neck and a pointy tip, so insertion and removal is simple and easy. A butt plug is inserted anally and provides anal stimulation as well. It can also provide prostate stimulation too. If you're a complete beginner, we would always recommend to choose a small butt plug in small diameter to start off with. This means your first experience will be gentle and easy as well. We'd recommend to choose one which is made of a silicone-based material like this rocket butt plug here by the Easy Toys collection. Because it's silicone-based, it's very comfortable on the skin. We'd also recommend to use it in combination with an anal-based lubricant. Anal-based lubricant is slightly thicker and therefore makes your experience more enjoyable and comfortable as well. There are those who are advanced users and expert users and may use larger butt plugs such as the No. 10 hook by the Butter collection. As you can see, it's got a very different design with an anchor type hook, a wide flexible base, and it's also made of a body safe silicone as well. These types of butt plugs aren't recommended for beginners. You can also get metal butt plugs as well. You can use them in combination with any type of lubricant as well. They're very shiny and made of aluminium, and because it's temperature responsive, it means it's cold to the touch but will warm up. It's also suitable for temperature play, meaning you can place this in hot or cold water to enjoy cooler or warmer sensations during use. They also come in different designs. For example, here we have a ribbed one, and we also have beautiful diamond shapes at the bottom with a heart and beautiful crystal at the bottom just here as well. So if anal stimulation is something you're looking to do, whether you're a beginner or whether you're looking for something different, a butt plug can provide wonderful different types of stimulation, and from so many to choose from glass to metal to silicone and even vibrating butt plugs, there's something for everyone. Did you find this video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? If you have a question you'd like to ask us, simply pop your question in the comments section below and we'll take a look at it for you.